Every second, fresh milk flows through this system. One mistake here could ruin everything, but precision makes it perfect. This is Luna. She's part of a modern dairy system where every step is carefully controlled. Inside this advanced dairy farm, everything runs with precision, from feeding to milking. Nutrition is the foundation. Each ingredient is measured for perfect balance. A precise mix ensures consistent health and milk quality. The feed is distributed evenly, so every cow gets the same nutrition.
Luna eats in a calm and controlled environment, surrounded by the same herd every day.
Clean water is essential for maintaining milk production. Each cow is monitored daily to maintain perfect health and consistency. Clean equipment is essential to protect the purity of every drop. Before milking begins, every surface is carefully cleaned. A calm environment ensures better milk flow and animal comfort. The flow stabilizes, ensuring consistent extraction from every cow. From the milking station, the milk travels through sealed pipelines. Every drop is filtered to remove impurities instantly. Advanced sensors monitor quality at every stage. Precision machines ensure gentle and efficient extraction. Milk flows rapidly through a completely sealed system. Dozens of cows are processed at once with perfect coordination. Workers continuously monitor performance and safety. Pressure is carefully controlled throughout the system. The network delivers milk efficiently across the facility. Cooling begins immediately to preserve freshness. Temperature control maintains the highest quality. Every degree is carefully managed. The storage system fills with fresh milk. Samples are taken for detailed testing. Each batch is tested before approval. Only approved milk moves forward. The milk is transferred for transport. From farm to facility, the journey continues. The journey begins as fresh milk leaves the farm. Transported under strict conditions, quality is preserved every mile. At the processing plant, the next stage begins. The milk is carefully unloaded into sterile systems. Heat treatment removes harmful bacteria while preserving quality. The milk is quickly cooled to lock in freshness. Precision machines fill each container evenly. Each bottle is sealed to maintain purity. From factory to store, the final step reaches consumers. From Luna to your glass, every drop is a story of care, precision, and perfection.